Greeting to my lecturer, Dr. Kong Lai Kwan, and to my classmate. Now I'm gonna introduce myself and my group members. My name is Abdullah Fahim Zakwan bin Zuwislan. Second, Wan Daniel Zulkarnain bin Wan Ahmad Kamal. After that, Muhammad Adib bin Ahmad Ramli. Muhammad Ani Farhan bin Muhammad Abdul Fadil. Lastly, Luqmanul Hakim, Ifzian. So before we start, first of all, we want to say thank you and gratitude to Dr. Kong Lai Kwan as our lecturer for this semester. Also gave us a task which is to create an assignment based on business management as our first project for this subject. Without her guidance and support in every class, while finishing this assignment, we can afford to do it ourselves. Through the assignment, it is help us to improve our knowledge about the goodness and function of the business management for more detail. Furthermore, we cannot complete this assignment without the passion and honesty of the group members. Thank you to all customers of Y10 Production Studio for choosing us as your one of the favorite game developer. For your information, our company is located in Section 12 Shah Alam, Selangor, which is one of the states that is developed and has strategic area to open our business. This state is also very futuristic and ideal for people that play online games. At last, we hope our assignment will be received and success. We had put our effort and acknowledgement to search information and ideas. We hope our effort was worth it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Walid Zulkarnain bin Muhammad Kamal, and my student ID is 2022834082, and I will be presenting the introduction to Y10 Studio. So let's move on knowing more about Y10 Studio. Our company background. Y10 Production Studios is a game company based in Section 12 Shah Alam, Selangor. Our company was founded in the year of 2020 after seeing the demand of the public to entertain themselves with games during the lockdown because of COVID-19 pandemic. The primary idea to start this company comes from Mr. Adib as the founder of this company. Our company activities are creating, publishing, and providing platform for online games to be played for free. We come to the conclusion to provide free-to-play games as we want the public to enjoy themselves while playing without paying. We also making sure the games are free from copyright and safe to be played. Next, we will look at the levels of management, types of managers, and skills involved for each managers. For Y10 Studios, we are applying 3 levels of management, which are first line manager, middle level manager, and top level manager. For first line manager, there are several positions in our company, which are sales manager, production manager, and marketing manager. This level of management are responsible for publishing the games and making sure there are no errors with the publishing process. The games also will be ranked by referring to the statistic of public choose to play more often. The games with the least time played will be removed and it will be replaced with new games. We are doing this to ensure public will never get bored with our diversity of games. Technical skills was used to enable the managers to enhance their knowledge to analyze the production and supervise the operational workers. Next, for middle level manager, human resources manager, and quality control manager are several positions in our company. Their tasks are to supervise the first-line manager or the staff department. They also solving the conflict happen in the organization by using their high level of understanding of the areas of strategy of the organization and commitment to ensure the flow of the organization going well. Human skills was used to enforce the ability to work effectively with other members. Last but not least, the top level manager. Chief Executive Director is our top leader in the organization. They provide strategic path for the organization to deliver, and they will bring out the best of the company. Conceptual skills was used to process a huge amount of information about the internal and external environment of the organization. By using a brilliant conceptual skill, top-level management have to bring out the best of the organization to achieve the company goals and competing with other companies.
Let's move on to the next part, which is planning. So when it comes to planning, I'm sure that everyone knows that other organizations have their own planning. Of course, as for our company, we also have our own goals that we plan to achieve in the future. So when we're talking about planning, we also have our own vision and mission. Our vision is to bring enjoyment and satisfaction to everyone with our open world games. Meanwhile, our mission is to enable players to connect with others through our worldwide servers. As for standing plan, we have our own policy, procedure, and our own rule. As for the policy, we determine to only hire those who are skilled and committed enough to work in this work scope. For the procedure, we suggest that we should divide our employees into each groups to discuss a lot of things before releasing the game. And our company rule is that neither employees nor the players are allowed to spread game leaks or fake rumors about our company's production. As for single-use plan, for our project, we decided to divide every workers into different teams and will be tasked according to their specialties based on the work given. As example, the first group will be assigned to structure an idea for the games to create, such as the virtual world's name, the character's design, and much more. Meanwhile, the second group will work on discussing on how to create a suitable gameplay and interesting storyline of the game. And the last group will conduct a test on the game to analyze on missing components before releasing the game. And as for the program, we receive a lot of requests from every players to create more similar games. So our company decided to produce another series of multiplayer and open world games to fulfill the dreams of our appreciated gamers. So when we were talking about our budget, we plan to promote a lot of our merchandise inspired from our games, such as action figures, shirts, and more stuff. So the next thing I will explain is organizing. I think we all know that organizing is one of the most important steps in management. Organizing it means to decide how best to cope organizational activities and resources. So we decided to create our own organizational structure to divide different groups to do different type of works in the company. So here is our organizational chart. And here is the employee responsibilities.
Hi, my name is Mama Adib. So for my part, I'm going to explain about decision making. So decision making are divided by two, which is 1. Program decision, 2. Non-program decision. So for program decision are decisions that have occurred in the past and the response is routine. Then it used as a predetermined decision rule. The predetermined decision rule include organization policy and procedure. So for non-program decision are decisions made in response to situations that are unique, unstructured, or poorly defined. It used when predetermined decision rule cannot be applied. So now, locus of decision making for our company. For program, we detect that some of our workers are still don't know to do work and inexperienced. So it make our game development is slow. We don't want that. We want a fast development. So everyone happy and we are happy. So to prevent that, we make a training for some workers that still don't know and experience. So from the training, they can know how to do work. And they can gain more experience. So our business, our company can run more smoothly and everyone happy. Non-program decision for our company. So we have a problem, which is our worker is getting lazy day by day. Why? We can know that is because we detect that our gaming development is slow day by day, little by little. So we make a survey. So after the survey, the result we get, most of them said our workplace is boring and gloomy. After that, we provide to make a conducive workplace and create a positive, also harmony work environment. So what we do, we add some accessory, change the color to motivate them, and add anything to make a workplace more beautiful and harmony. So I think that's all for decision making. Alright, we move to next part. Sorry, alright, so next part, motivation. So I think every company must have at least one way to motivate their company. For Y10 Studio, we choose reinforcement theory. This theory frequently called behavior modification. This theory is based on the people learn to repeat behavior that are positively rewarded and avoid behavior that are punished. So this theory have 4 types, which is 1. Positive reinforcement, 2. Negative reinforcement, 3. Extension, 4. Is punishment. So from 4, we all focus on 2 types only, which is positive reinforcement and punishment. So for positive reinforcement, if our worker doing their job very good and working for hard for our company, why not giving them some reasonable incentive such as pay, bonus, promotion, and job title such as employee of the month, so it can boost up their motivation. So for punishment, we point this to any worker that perform undesirable behavior, such as tarnish our company name, whiten studio, or make a fake news that will bring down the company. As the punishment, we may suspend them or fire them. It depends to what behavior they do. We will consider that. So I think that's all I'm gonna talk about motivation. So let's move to the next part.
Hi, my name is Lukman Hakim and I will be the one who explain what type of leading and controlling that YTN Studio apply in its organization. So, let's go to the explanation of leading. Do you know what means by leadership? Leadership means about make people contribute to achieve our primary goal, such as make games that enjoyable to be played by people who serve our website. What type of leadership that we use is the sound, which is, to be specific, it is called by team management. The benefits of this leadership, it is a high concern for both production and employees. For employees, we will make sure we know about our employees' condition, because we do not want our employees work with any pressure. So to solve this problem, Adib, who is manager, will arrange a meeting for do some conversation with all of the employees to make sure they express their own thoughts about the organization. So from the conversation, we will improve and change the way we treat our employees welfare. And then for production, we will provide the top quality staff that have a high quality brand such as ROG, MSI and Razer, because we want to make sure our employees work with an environment they're comfortable with. I guess this is such a smart option to our YTN Studio apply, because this will make sure our YTN Studio can compete with another level of company that include with this kind of business, games. So that's all for the explanation of leading. Let's go hear about controlling explanation. So let's hear the explanation about what types of controlling that we use in this organization. So controlling means the process to improve performance of the organization to achieve organization goal. For example, we will make sure YTN Studio be able to compete with the organization which is at the international level, because we want to make sure our organization have our own level. And then the types of controlling that we use is preliminary control, which is the purpose is to prevent problem before going into the transformation process, and our main point is to focus on organization outputs, because we want to make sure our game system will run smoothly by the people who serve our websites. I guess that's all from me about leading and controlling explanation. Thank you.
In conclusion, Whiten Production Studio can be said as the best company for people who playing games because our company give public to enjoy themselves while playing games without paying. This company was able to run efficiently and effectively because we always check and care about the 5 important aspects for our company management, which are planning, organizing, locus decision making, leading and controlling. This thing will make our company can also function effectively without any problem because we are using all 5 important aspects for our business. At the end, our company has achieved our goal that we set as vision, mission and objective by fully follow the aspect that we use in business. We plan to take this company to the global level and we use R&D to improve our product and service in future.